Claude Code and GitHub Copilot are not the same kind of tool. People compare them like rival products. They are not. And picking the wrong one costs you either money or hours. Here is the difference in one line. Copilot finishes the line you are typing. Claude Code finishes the task you described. That is the whole thing. Copilot watches your cursor. It predicts the next few lines, and it is very fast at it. Claude Code does not watch your cursor at all. You give it a job. It reads your files, changes several of them, runs your tests, and reports back. One is autocomplete that got very good. The other is an agent that happens to write code. If you already know exactly what to type, Copilot is faster. If you know what you want to happen, but not which 6 files it touches, Copilot cannot help you and Claude Code can. Now let me show you exactly where each one wins. Copilot lives inside your editor. Visual Studio Code, the JetBrains tools, NeoVim. You type, it suggests, you press tab. There is also a chat panel where you ask questions about your code. It has agent features now too. But the center of gravity is the editor, and the unit of work is the suggestion. Claude Code lives in your terminal. You run it inside your project folder. You type an instruction in plain English. It then decides which files to open, makes the edits itself, and runs commands to check its work. The unit of work is not a suggestion. It is a task. That sounds like a small distinction. It is not. Here is what it changes. Say you need to rename a concept across your codebase, not a simple find and replace. The name appears in function names, in a database column, in 3 test files, and in your documentation, and each one needs slightly different handling. With Copilot, you open each file. You make the change. Copilot speeds up the typing in each one. You are still the one who knows there were 6 files. With Claude Code, you describe the rename. It searches the project, finds the 6 files, edits each, runs your tests, and tells you what it changed. Copilot made you faster. Claude Code did the job. Now the other direction, because this is where the comparisons online get lazy. Copilot wins on speed of feedback. The suggestion appears while you are still typing. There is no waiting, no thinking, no watching an agent decide what to do. For dense code, you already understand that immediacy is worth more than intelligence. Copilot wins on staying in flow. You never leave the editor. No terminal, no context switch. Copilot wins on cost at the entry level. It has a genuinely free tier, no payment, 2,000 code completions a month. Its paid plan is $10 a month. Claude Code has no free tier at all. The cheapest way in is $20 a month. If all you want is faster typing, Copilot is the cheaper habit. And Copilot wins for people learning. When you are new, watching a suggestion appear line by line teaches you the shape of the language. An agent that rewrites 6 files teaches you nothing because you did not watch it happen. That last point matters more than most reviews admit. If you are early in learning to code, the tool that does more for you is not the better tool. Claude Code wins whenever the task is bigger than one file. Refactoring, debugging something you cannot locate, adding a feature that touches the database, the API, and the tests. Anything where the hard part is knowing where to look rather than what to type. It wins because it can run commands. It edits, runs your test suite, sees the failure, and fixes it. That loop is the actual product. Suggestion tools cannot close it because they never find out whether the suggestion worked. It wins on unfamiliar code bases. Point it at a project you have never seen and ask how authentication works. It reads the code and tells you. That is a different activity from autocomplete. Both tools now speak something called MCP, Model Context Protocol. It lets them reach things outside your code, your database, your issue tracker, your documentation. That used to be a Claude Code edge. It is not anymore. Copilot supports it too. Where Claude Code still leads is scope. It does not just consult those sources. It edits across every file they touch and then checks its own work. Both of these are worse than their marketing suggests in specific ways. Claude Code is slower, not a little slower. You describe a task and wait, sometimes a minute or more, while it reads files and decides. For small edits, that wait is absurd. Opening the file yourself would have been faster. Claude Code costs more for heavy use because agentic work reads and writes far more than autocomplete does. On the $20 plan, you hit limits fast. It runs in rolling 5-hour windows, and a heavy session empties them. Real daily use pushes you to the $100 or $200 plans, or to paying the API by the token, where a busy day of agent work climbs quickly. Copilot's flat $10 looks cheap next to that. Claude Code can also be confidently wrong across several files at once, which is worse than being wrong on one line. You must read what it changed. People who skip that step ship bugs with more confidence than before. Copilot has its own problem. It is very good at making plausible code. Plausible is not correct. Because it only sees a narrow window around your cursor, it will happily suggest a function that does not exist, or repeat a pattern your project abandoned months ago. And Copilot cannot tell you it does not know. It always suggests something. Here is the honest answer, and it is not the one either company wants. Most working developers should use both, and the split is clean. Copilot for typing, Claude Code for tasks. If you have to pick one, decide by what you spend your day doing. If your day is writing new code in a project you know well, Copilot. The immediacy wins, and you do not need an agent. If your day is maintenance, debugging, or working across a codebase somebody else wrote, Claude Code. The ability to search, edit widely, and run tests is worth the wait. If you are learning to code, start with Copilot. Add the agent later, once you can tell when it is wrong. That order matters. Reversed, you get code you cannot debug. And if you are not sure, the deciding question is not which is smarter. It is whether the hard part of your work is typing or figuring out where to type. Copilot solves the first. Claude Code solves the second.